Growing up, my parents had started Northwest Petroleum Service, and it was basically our life. The phone for Northwest Petroleum Service rang in our kitchen. It was just always something our whole family took part in. We were installing gas stations, tanks, pipes, dispensers. In the late 1980s, there were new regulations that came about, and a program called PECFA, it's Petroleum Environmental Cleanup Fund Act.
The federal government gave everybody in the country 10 years to upgrade their tanks. And you had to have an engineering company do the site assessment. I'd send a crew through a job and thinking the engineering company was going to be there, and they would never show up because they were so busy.
At that time, there weren't a lot of environmental consultants in northern Wisconsin. The client base that NPS had was paying more for the environmental services than they were for repairing the tanks.
Well, as we're removing these underground storage tanks and we would find contamination, we were basically just handing those projects off to an environmental consultant, and we really weren't feeling that they were taking care of our clients the way that we did.
So Jay finally one day says, Dad, he said, well, let's start our own company. I said, you know, that sounds like a good idea. So I went and hired a chemical engineer and a secretary, and we started REI in 1991.